Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about STARPUP token. Hopping onto the website here, saving animals through powerful tokenomics and charity. Scrolling a bit down on the what is STARPUP section, according to the SPCA, approximately 1.5 million companion animals, dogs and cats, are put down each year. The STARPUP team wholeheartedly believes that they have a solution for this grave problem. They believe with a community effort they can end the mass enthusiasm of the companion animals. The mission is to build an animal sanctuary like has never existed before. Not only will they make a home for this animal on death row, but they will build a brand around the charity efforts. Animal sanctuary. So they're creating a sanctuary funded by the community to save animals that will otherwise be put down. They have designed the token with a 10% transaction fee on every transaction. 5% goes towards the liquidity pool and 5% gets back redistributed to all token holders. They have temporarily withhold an additional 3% for airdrops and giveaways to the community. The token distribution plan: 500 trillion burn right before Pancake swap launch, 400 trillion tokens added to the liquidity pool, and 10% they keep a developer marketing fund to purchase a piece of land. Taking a look at the tokenomics, so creation of the website, build community through social medias, Pancake swap launch, second quarter, partner with Animal Rescue Center to save animals on the death row, mass marketing, continue growing online community, first charity donation. In the third quarter, continue monthly charity token, scout for a piece of land to build the sanctuary, first releases of STARPUP brand merch. In the fourth quarter of 2021, continue monthly charity donation, begin development of NFT marketplace. And in 2021, the first quarter, purchase plot of land for sanctuary, build basic compound on the grounds, hire staff members for upkeep and care of animals, and they launch the NFT marketplace. We can see here the team as well. Taking a look at the BSC scheme, we can see that they are currently sitting at only 1,000 holders. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with 1,400 members. Taking a look at the chart here, we can see that the token was made and launched on the 12th of May. It had been on a steady run, and on the 22nd of May it had a little bit of pump, then again consolidated, people took profits, and now on the 25th of May it got a massive day. Right now I'm going to show you guys on how to buy STARPUP token. Firstly, you MetaMask or Trust Wallet, put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap for STARPUP. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 11% or more. We're going to type on 12% right now. Click on swap. It works. MetaMask will give you a notification. Just click on confirm. That being it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to turn notifications, and I'll catch you into the next one.